going to meet a restaurant that names the Bull. We'll see what is this. Here is a lot of people on the entrance, huge queue, but now we are going.
We just finished our food and it was not tasty. The meat was so chewy. All the meat, all the different types of meat we ordered was so chewy. Not really nice. Basically, it was the French fries that was tasty.
We just finished our dinner in restaurant the Bull. What I can say about this restaurant, it's nice design. It's very comfortable with QR code. You can pay and order, but no one will tell you about this. But food, the tasty was only French fries, I should say. Meat steak was not possible to chew at all. Chicken strips was very much fried like wood. Roast beef was too much fried. So
Good.
sauce, yes, there was really nice sauce.
Recommend.
No.
We're going home now. It's been a good day with family. Not the best food, but still good company. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Please subscribe, like and share. Bye.